In this video, you will learn how to set up Shopify automated email campaign for abandoned cart customers. First, log into your Shopify admin. Go to shopify.com and log into your store. Then, go to Settings. From your Shopify admin dashboard, click on Settings. After that, click on Notifications. In the Settings menu, click on Notifications. This section will contain all your email notifications, including abandoned cart emails. Enable abandoned cart emails. Scroll down to the abandoned cart section. Make sure the send abandoned cart email is enabled. This will trigger an email if the customer adds items to their cart but does not complete the purchase. Shopify allows you to send emails every 1 hour, 6 hours, 10 hours and 24 hours after the abandonment of the cart. Customize the abandoned cart email. Below the abandoned cart checkout option, you will see an email template section. Click on Edit next to the email template. This will allow you to customize the content and design of the email. Add your store's branding such as logos and colours, personalise the subject line, message and remind your customer about their abandoned cart. Add a clear call to action for them to complete their purchase and a link back to their cart. Set timings. Shopify allows you to customise when the follow-up emails are sent, so you can set a delay for sending the first reminder and how many follow-ups you want to send. For example, send the first reminder 1 hour after the abandonment and the second reminder 24 hours later. Save changes. After customising the template, click Save to apply these changes. Test. Test your abandoned cart emails. To ensure everything works properly as expected, add a product to the cart on your store, then exit the store without completing a purchase and wait for the email. If it's set up correctly, you should receive the abandoned cart email after the time you set, such as 1 hour or 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.